Today I will explain you differential equation. In the chapter of differential equation, we will study about the following elements, that is, first, definition of differential equation, order and degree of differential equation, general and particular solution of differential equation, formation of differential equation whose general solution is given, variable separable method of a differential equation, homogeneous differential equation of first order and first degree and their solution. Solution of linear differential equation of the type. See here, this is dy by dx plus py is equal to q. This is linear differential equation. See, this is containing derivative dy by dx. P and q are constants and y is a variable. Here is dx by dy plus px is equal to q, where p and q are the functions of x. Important facts of formula. See, definition of differential equation. A differential equation is an equation involving derivative of dependent variable with respect to the independent variable. See, this is differential equation involving derivative. See here, refer this example, dy by dx is equal to xy square. Dy by dx is derivative. Here y is known as dependent variable, but x is known as independent variable. Once again refer it, dy by dx is a derivative. Y is known as dependent variable. X is known as independent variable. We have seen in the definition, a differential equation is an equation involving derivative. Dy by dx is derivative of the dependent variable with respect to the independent variable. Dependent variable means y. With respect to independent variable, that is x. Means this is a differential equation. Here d2y by dx2 plus 3 dy by dx is equal to 5x. This is second derivative. This is first order derivative. Similarly, you can see here dy by dx is a derivative, but sin x, this is a x is an angle and this is sin, means it is behave like a constant by substituting value of x. Now, what do you mean by order and degree of differential equation? See, what is order and degree? Order of differential equation is defined as the order of the highest derivative that it contains. Highest derivative is its order, and degree means degree of differential equation is the highest power, that is exponent, of the highest order derivative involved in the given equation. Degree and order will be clear to you by this example. Refer the examples. See here, this is differential equation d2y by dx2 plus 5 dy by dx whole square is equal to 7. You can see here, this is dy by dx. This is first order. Power is 2. But d2y by dx2, this is second order. Highest order, this is highest order. Highest order is 2. And what is degree of highest order? Its whole power is 1. Means highest order is 2 and degree of highest order is 1. Therefore, its degree is 1 and order is 2. Refer second example, d2y by dx2 whole power 3 minus dy by dx whole square plus 7y is equal to 0. First refer in this case, what is the highest order? This is d2y by dx2, means this is highest order. This is only dy by dx. This is first order, but this is second order. Therefore, d2y by dx2 is highest order. Its order is 2. This is 2. That order is 2. But what is whole power of this? This derivative, its whole power is 3. Means highest power, that is highest exponent, is its degree, and highest order of the differential equation, highest order is 2. Therefore, its highest order is 2, but power of highest order is 3, means degree is 3. See next example, d2y by dx2 plus y sin x is equal to e raised to x. You can see here highest order, that is d2y by dx2. Its order is 2, but what is its power? Its power is 1. Therefore, degree is 1 and order is 2. See next one, dy by dx whole power 4. This is first derivative. Its order is 1 and whole power is 4, means degree is 4. Degree is 4 and order is 1. Now refer exercise 9.1. Determine order and degree if defined of the differential equations given in exercises 1 to 10. Refer the questions of exercises. First question, d4y by dx4 plus sin y triple dash. What do you mean by y triple dash? Its meaning is d3y by dx3. But d4y by dx4, its order is 4. You can see here, this is not a polynomial because this is sin d3y by dx3. Therefore, this differential equation is not a polynomial. Therefore, we can consider its order is 4. But its degree is 0 because it is not defined. See here, its order is 4. But the given differential equation is not a polynomial in its derivative. Therefore, its degree is not defined. Means we can say that order is 4 and degree not defined. See, y dash plus 5y is equal to 0. Y dash means dy by dx plus 5y is equal to 0. You can see here its order is 1 and whole power of this is also 1, means order is 1 and degree is also 1. Now see this question, ds by dt whole power 4 plus 3s d2s by dt2 is equal to 0. You can see here this is d2s by dt2, means its order is 2. And what is its whole power? Its whole power is 1. Therefore, degree is 1. See this question, d2y by dx2 whole square plus cos dy by dx. You can see here d2y by dx2. Its order is 2. But this is containing cos dy by dx. It means differential equation is not a polynomial equation. in its derivatives. So its degree is not defined once again. This is cos dy by dx. Due to this term, it is not a polynomial equation. So its degree is not defined. And here this is d2y by dx2 means its order is 2. See, d2y by dx2 is equal to cos 3x plus sin 3x. Here d2y by dx2 understood its order is 2, and what is its whole power? Whole power is 1 means degree is 1. Order 2, degree 1. See, this is polynomial because this is cos 3x plus sin 3x. This is not containing any derivative like cos dy by dx or like sin d2y by dx2 like this. Means it is not containing any derivative in this part. Therefore, it is differential equation, that is polynomial of differential equation. Hence, order is 2 and degree is 1. This is y triple dash whole square plus y double dash whole cube plus y dash whole raised to 4 plus y raised to 5. You can see here in this equation y dash means dy by dx whole power 4, but this is first derivative. This is second derivative, but this is third derivative. This is third derivative means order is 3 understood. What is the whole power or exponent of the highest derivative? That whole power is 2 means its degree is 2. Order is 3, degree is 2 because this is d3y by dx3. Order is 3 and its whole power is 2, that is degree is 2. Y triple dash plus 2y double dash plus y dash is equal to 0. Understood, y triple dash means this is third derivative. Third derivative means order is 3. What is its whole power? Whole power is 1 means degree is 1. Now refer this y dash plus y is equal to e raised to x. This is containing an exponential term e raised to x. This is containing an exponential term, but this being a constant. You can see here this is y dash. Y dash means dy by dx. Its order is 1 and whole power is also 1. Means order 1 and degree 1. See next question. Y double dash plus y dash whole square plus 2y is equal to 0. Y double dash means d2y by dx2. d2y by dx2 means order is 2. What is its whole power? Its whole power is 1. Means order is 2, degree is 1. You don't see this whole power 2 because this is first order. To see the order in degree, we have to see highest order term of the differential equation. This is highest order term of the differential equation, that is d2y by dx2 means degree is 2 and order is 2 not degree. Order is 2 and degree is 1. See, this is y double dash plus 2y dash plus sin y is equal to 0. You can see this is sin y, but it is not containing any sin dy by dx, that is derivative. Therefore, this is a polynomial. But what is its highest order? See, this is second derivative. Y double dash means d2y by dx2. It means order is 2. And what is its power? Whole power. Its whole power is 1. That is degree is 1. Now see some more examples. Find the order and degree of the following differential equations. See, these are all differential equations. See, there are 6 differential equations, and we see here one by one what is its degree and order. You can see here this is y plus dy by dx whole power 3 plus d2y by dx2 is equal to 0. See, where is the term containing highest order, that is highest derivative. This is highest derivative d2y by dx2, and it means order is 2. What is its whole power? Its whole power is 1. Degree is 1. See next one. In this differential equation, again this is the highest derivative term. This is second derivative. Second derivative means order is 2. What is its highest power? Highest power is here 2. Means degree is 2. See next one. This is in this differential equation. You can see that again this is highest derivative, second derivative, means order is 2. What is its highest power? 3. Degree is 3. Now cos x dx plus cos y dy is equal to 0. Here we can write here cos y dy by dx is equal to minus cos x. It means this is order is 1 and highest power is also 1. Order is 1, degree is 1. In this differential equation, highest derivative, this is highest derivative, this is second derivative, and this is first derivative. You can see when we see the first derivative, order is 1 but degree is 4. But in differential equation always we have to see highest derivative term, means this is highest derivative term d2y by dx2. Understood? Here plus y dy by dx whole power 4 plus 2x dy by dx is equal to 0. Here you can see that this is d2y by dx2. It means order is 2 but its whole power is 1. Therefore degree is 1. Now refer the next question. d2y by dx2 whole square plus cot dy by dx is equal to 0. You can see here this is cot dy by dx, means this is not a linear differential equation, means this is not a polynomial. This is not a polynomial due to this term cot dy by dx. Here d2y by dx2 means its order is 2. But this is not a polynomial. That's why its degree is not defined. Remember it. This differential equation is not a polynomial, means its degree is not defined due to this term.